Today we're going to do composition and a few other things with matrices, and we'll see how far we get depending on how quickly you work today. Okay, let me ask you this. Get that out of my book so it doesn't fall out. Okay. A certain transformation maps 2, 3 onto 2, -3 and -1, 5 onto -14, 8. Oh, they could have made that question harder. Determine the image of 3 minus 1 under this transformation. I made up the last bit because the textbook didn't go far enough. How am I going to work out, let's work our strategy backwards, how am I going to work out the image of this point? I need a transformation matrix to get there. How do I work out the transformation matrix from this information? Any ideas?
Put it into the x dash y dash.
Yep, correct. So let's go. I've got 2 points to do at once. Which way will I do this? Yeah, let's do 2 points at once. It's definitely more fun. So, new point to -3, I'm leaving space. My matrix times the old point, 2, 3. And new point, -14, 8, was a negative sign, comes from -1, 5. And what's the strategy since about grade 7 for when I don't know what a number is? Put a letter in. A, B, C, D. If I can solve this, then I can work out what my matrix is. There are 2 ways to solve this. Anybody got an idea?
Post multiply.
Sorry?
Post multiply by the inverse.
By the inverse of this one will work. Good strategy. What's the other strategy? I'm going to do this one because I think it's easier. The other strategy would be, you can go 2a, I'll write it, but I don't think it's the easy way to solve it. 2a minus 14c equals 2. 2b minus 14d equals 3. And you can do that again. You'll get 4 equations with 4 unknowns, simultaneous equations. Who wants to do that? Nobody, right? The other strategy is better. Inverse of this one, post multiply on the right, because then I will get this by itself. 2 negative 14, negative 3, 8, times the inverse of this one, so negative 1 is going to equal the matrix I want. Knowing matrices and how to use them, this is definitely the quickest strategy. I can put the determinant at the front, so it's 1 over, what's the determinant of this one? 10 plus 3, that's a disgusting number. Hopefully I get some multiples of 13 in here. 2, negative 14, negative 3, 8, 5, 2, 1, negative 3, do the matrix multiplication, see if we get some multiples of 13. Oh, textbook, they got so lazy, they said you can use this technology to get the inverse. You can do it without. Maybe. Oh, those numbers too big for you. You have to multiply by 14, don't you? Get your calculator out. If you're going to use your calculator, why don't you just do it in one go? Just get me the inverse matrix. Just work out the sum. Nope. That's what the textbook says. Okay, now I have the matrix, I can find this. What do I have? 4, negative 2, negative 3, 1, times 3, negative 1, 12, take 2, no, yeah, that's right. 12 plus 2, negative 9, take 1. Image of 3, negative 1 is 14, negative 10.